But there's one part of the Bible that a lot of these people skip over, and it's the scripture where it says they shall lay hands on the sick and they shall recover. And this is a promise that was given to us in scripture, that we were going to do greater works, greater things than he, who's he? Jesus, was going to do. Whether you call him Jesus, Yeshua, I don't care. Okay, this ain't about that. Yahweh Shai, whatever. It doesn't matter. But the promise was that we were going to do greater miracles, greater things, that we were going to lay hands on sick people and they were going to recover. There was another promise that says something about we can drink something that's contaminated, a poisonous thing, and it won't bother us. Well, I don't think the people in Flint, Michigan got that memo. Let's keep it a full buck. I don't think the good people down in places like Mississippi or Alabama got the memo on that one, because there are numbers of black people that I can point to who have been drinking toxic waters for years and have been getting sick and have been prematurely dying, but at the same time have been very faithful in praying, have been very faithful in reading their Bibles, being faithful to church, but still are getting sick and dying. So we have to go back and reevaluate some things. And people get mad and upset and frustrated because of the fact that you're questioning that.